So today we will be recreating this NBA post in Canva in just a few clicks. So here's a preview of the design. So first go to Canva homepage. Click on create a design and select this post option. You can choose a custom size from here if you prefer. I will create a design and use this option. A blank canvas will appear on your screen. Now you will need two images of your favorite NBA player. I've already downloaded them and uploaded mine to my Canva account. You can also use images from Google. Now drag each image into the design and remove the backgrounds like this. This will be our background image and this will be our main image. Next we will enlarge the background image like this and position it here. Select the main image and increase its size. Bring it forward and center it. We will change the background color to a violet shade like this. Here's the hex code if you would like to use it. Select the background image, click Edit. Go to the dual tone options and pick any option from here. Adjust the highlights to a lighter blue effect like this. Then for the shadows, darken it slightly, something like this. After that, adjust the image slightly as needed. Go to the elements option and search for a basketball. There are plenty of choices here, so go with the graphics, or I will go with the photos and use this one. Click to add it, then enlarge it and position it in the background. Now go to text, add a heading, type 06. Change the font to Anton and switch the color to yellow. Here's the hex code. Increase its size, make it italic and center it. Send it behind the main image and the basketball. Go to Effects, select the Hollow effect and set it to 10. We're almost done now, so go back to the elements and search for a gradient black. Pick any one you like, increase its size and center it. Go to text and select a style called Dazzle. You can find it by searching here. Click it to add, increase its size, change its color to yellow, double click and type your favorite NBA player's name. Now position it like this and set it to italics. Next change this section to 1984. First ungroup it to adjust its size. Click on the blank space and resize it as needed. Center it. Now I will reduce the size to around 100. Your poster is almost ready. The final step is to animate it. Select any element you like, go to animate and choose page to animate the whole design. You can use options like this one or this one. I will go with the fun option. So once you have chosen, your animation is ready. You can download it from here.